Hey Adam here with a simple and fast review of the POIXM Vacuum Bags for travel and pump. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
So as we get this box open, I think the thing that I think is most cool about this is the reusable capabilities of these. And if you need to, the ability to kind of just write on it, which we'll kind of walk you through. There is an instruction manual in here, kind of simple pump method or manual method, whichever you're looking to do. I do like this Velcro to kind of keep it all together and everything like that. But we'll go ahead and stretch this out, and then we'll kind of demonstrate putting some stuff into it. But I wanted to just show you somewhere. I already saw it, but now I've lost it. There was a little pump. Of course, there it is. Right on the front, that'll allow you to kind of blow, use your pump here into that, and then there's going to obviously be a good way to kind of, and you can see this waterproof type of seal here. It's going to be airtight, which is awesome, and you can just kind of pull and get in there, and you'll see that it's also kind of like a rubberish inside. So we'll go ahead and throw some stuff in there, but the point being is that I believe you can just take this kind of stick and write on it, which you probably just saw. And I'm pretty sure that just a little bit of water will make that go away. That was saliva based. So as far as the pump, we'll open this up. And once we get this open, you'll see there's a lot of different adapters to this, but at the end of the day, it's really just about the pump and then finding the right adapter in there. USB-A to USB-C charging. I'm not sure if this is something that can run. Yep, it can run without that, so you don't need to charge it up in ahead of time. And this probably does have a little carry case. Once we get there, yep, to keep everything together. So you know, if you're not going to use the right one here, you know, figure out which it is. I'm not sure if that's the one, but you'll have some adjustments to play with, and they can kind of fill up a lot of different things. I think this is the right guy right here. Nope, that's not it either. So maybe it's, well, we'll figure it out either way and test it to make sure we've got the right guy. So I've got everything out and ready. So we're just going to kind of demonstrate a pretty big towel. Frankly, we're going to just go ahead and stuff this in and see how much it can kind of deflate things. As the bag is decent size here, and this just came off, so be aware of that. It does need to kind of, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it doesn't matter. There's a kind of a simple way to hook it right back in. So as you can see, tons of space and everything like that. Visual window in there. We'll go ahead and connect and just suction. Seems like it will take a little while. Now, for some reason, it's not going down at all, so let me just check what's going on here. Well, there is a little piece there that needed to be removed. So now that we've removed that, that should make it a little bit easier to suction this down. Yeah, much more immediate. And I guess we'll just kind of stick that in afterwards. Once this is shrunken down. Yeah, see, it will continue to kind of do that. It'll air right back up. So I feel like you're going to need to get that in there immediately, and I don't know how to do that immediately. So we're just going to go ahead and remove that. And then we're just going to go ahead and seal that back up like so. So that does give it a nice little suction. Very, very tight suction. You can stick a lot of stuff in there. This defeats the purpose because finding a way to get this back in after the fact is going to be super hard. So I'm not sure why that would be there in the first place. Maybe there's some instructions that explain it a little bit better, but to me, I don't really see it. So that's that. Anyway, does a serviceable job, and again, depending on how much you're looking to get in there, very nice. And then again, it stays suctioned, which is great. So kind of a nice waterproof bag, if nothing else. And then you can just start letting the air back in, and you'll see it start to automatically inflate back up. And then you, of course, can zipper this and get everything out of the bag. As you can see, I mean, this is a big towel. So definitely worth buying. Serviceable job here. So hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.